Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essential items ready and taking the console out of the box. Once you remove packaging, insert the two AA batteries into the controller and place the console near your display. Connect the HDMI cable to the Xbox Series S and to an HDMI 2.0 or better port on your TV or monitor. Then plug the power cord into both the console and the wall. Make sure the outlet works before you proceed so setup isn't interrupted. Once powered, you will follow the on-screen prompts to choose language, region, and privacy preferences. This tailors the system to you. Next, connect to your network, Ethernet for stability or Wi-Fi for convenience, and sign into your Microsoft account so game licenses and cloud saves sync. Make sure to accept and install any system updates. They often fix bugs and add features. Finally, configure display options like HDR and auto low latency mode to optimize picture and input responsiveness for gaming. You now install or download your games and apps. Open the Microsoft Store or My Games and Apps, queue titles, and monitor installation progress. If storage becomes tight, attach an external USB 3.1 drive or use the official expansion card to move large libraries. This keeps load times reasonable. Test the controller pairing and audio, sign into Xbox Live, and enable cloud backups and remote play if desired. If something goes wrong, restart the console and check network settings before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.